there is a start file and a resource file, which is just the image of the company's logo. So make sure you download 2 files for the independent project. Oh, I need to reset the progress. Here we go. So that's already taken care of. 1 and 2. It's pretty normal procedures for this class. Type the following lines and enter. So I think I can just copy this and then paste it over. And you notice it already have a enter in each line. Okay, I guess I don't need to go too far. But for the last one, it doesn't have a paragraph mark, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now you can see 4 empty paragraph marks. So that's taken care of. Apply the heading 1 style to heading 1 text and the heading 2 style to the heading 2 text. So mine is my ribbon is a little cramped now, but you should be able to see more for your Word software. But for me, I have to click this drop down and then select heading 1. But I haven't. Make sure you select heading 1 before you select the heading 1 style. Okay. Now we're gonna change the text heading 2 by going to styles and select heading 2. Okay, so part 4 is done. And I think I'm gonna just work up to step 6 for this one. Hopefully that gives you enough idea or momentum to finish the rest of the independent project. So on step 5 is about updating styles. So select the heading 1 text. So I need to select it again. And apply the bold formatting. So I can do that by just clicking the pop-up menu here, and that went bold. I do need to change it to font size 13. And it's not a drop-down value, so I need to type it in. So 13. Okay. Change the font color to the second color in the first row, which should be black text 1. So here's the font color option. I'm not going to worry about that. So, and then this is it, black text 1. Make sure you don't select anything down here. It will say you'll have lighter percentage, so don't select those. It's this one right here. Okay. And then apply small caps. Now, hopefully you guys remember where to go for this. If you don't, it's in font, and then it's this font dialog box button, which is a little icon at the bottom right. So just click on that, and then it's a checkbox value in the effects area, and small caps. There you go. So that finishes part A. Oh, now we need to update the heading style to match the selected text. So I need to click back in my document, go back to styles, hover over heading, and then right click. If you're using a touchpad, it's 2-finger tap. And then select the pop-up update heading 1 to match selection. And if you go back to your heading, you notice it changed color. And it has a small caps preview. So that in a way confirms that you have successfully updated the style. So now we need to do the same thing for heading 2. So let's select heading 2. Oh wait, before we update the style, we just need to do some minor changes. So we need to change it to 12, which I can do just by click on decrease font size. It brings me to 12. We're not going to change the font color, but we are going to apply small caps, so which is in the font group, and then the dialog button, the font dialog button, click on small caps. Now we can update the heading 2 style. So right click on that and then select heading 2. Okay. Step 6 is modify the normal style and set line spacing to single. So this one is a little bit tricky, but it's similar to like the font dialog box. It's in the paragraph group, and then there's the paragraph group's dialog box or paragraph settings. So click on that. And if you go to, right now, you can see right down here. Let me go ahead and zoom in really quick. This is the line spacing value that we can modify. And then we want to go ahead and select single from that. Okay, so that's how you do step 6. So hopefully this gives you enough idea or momentum to complete our last independent project. Thank you for watching, and good luck.